Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let me discuss about local mesh patterns versus local binary patterns in biomedical image indexing and retrieval. The main abstract of this paper is by extracting the local mesh patterns and local binary patterns and Gabor transform for an query image. After extracting the features by using the distance, we retrieving an image from the database. This is the main concept of this paper. First of all, a new image indexing and retrieving algorithm using local mesh patterns are proposed for an biomedical retrieving application. Here we are using only the biomedical images in the database. The standard local binary pattern encodes the relationship between the referenced pixel and its surrounding neighbors. That means we can calculate the local binary patterns or center pixel value is computed by comparing its gray value with its neighboring gray value. Then we can calculate the local mesh patterns by using a value is computed based on the relationship among the surrounding neighbors for a given center pixel of a gray image, and again going for Gabor transform. It is another good method for extracting their features. First we can extract the local mesh patterns and local binary patterns of an query image. After extracting this feature, we can applying the Gabor transform. In this transform, it provides a feature of an query image. After extracting the features, we can calculating the distance of each and every patterns. After finding that distance, can retrieving the nearest and neighboring images of an query image. Then, whereas the proposed method encodes the relationship among the surrounding neighbors of a given referenced pixel in an image. In addition, that the effectiveness of our algorithm is confirmed by combining it with the Gabor transform. By using the Gabor transform, our proposed method have given the effectiveness output of this paper. To prove the effectiveness of our program, 3 experiments can be carried out on 3 different biomedical image databases. Here we are using many type of databases in the database images. This is a flowchart of our paper. We have to select the input image, that means query image. We have many type of query images we have saved in the database. We have select any one of the query image as in the database. First we have to extract the local binary patterns. In the local binary patterns, can calculate a pixel value is computed by comparing with its neighboring gray value, and it will extract the features of an query image. And after that, going for local mesh patterns. In the local mesh patterns, the value is computed based on the relationship among the surrounding neighbor pixel given in the input image. This pattern also providing some features of an query image. And next, going for Gabor local mesh patterns. These Gabor local mesh patterns are providing some other features of an query image. It will extracting the Gabor features. After extracting the 3 features, by using these 3 features, we will calculating the distance from each and every patterns. After calculating the distance, we will retrieving the image. In the calculating distance part, it will calculating the nearest and neighboring image from the database by using the distance. Then now we going for coding execution. Then click on the retrieval.m function, and we have to run this program. First we want to select the query image, so click on this query image. These are the database images. We have to select the query image. Here we are having many data sets. You can select any type of images. I am selecting this one. And this is the input image, and this is the histogram of an input image. We have to extract the features, binary features. And this is the output of LBP image, and this is the histogram of LBP image. Then we going for local mesh patterns. This is a local mesh pattern output, and this is the histogram of local mesh pattern images. Then we going for Gabber local mesh pattern features. Click on this Gabber GLMP features, and this is the GLMP image output, and this is the histogram of an output. In this window the whole process finished. Then going for next step, and this is the future extraction window. We have to click this LMP features. These are the LMP features of our query image. Then click on this GLMP features. This is the feature for GLMP features. Totaling 768 features. Features are extracted. Then going for next window, and this is the retrieval window. Here I'm having the three options: 5, 10, 15. You will select any one. I am selecting the 5. First select the options 5. The options are selected. So we're going for retrieval. And these are the outputs. I'm getting 5 images. That means it will retrieving the same image from the database. Then this is the proposed system of our system, proposed on the existing system, and this is the precision output of our system. Then this is the recall output of our system. Thank you.